Welcome back to the Weather Centre, where the skies have cleared out over the eastern part of South Africa at the start of the work week, but you'll see a large amount of cloud moving in from the west. That's associated with a cold front, which has resulted in a mostly cloudy and cool day over the western and southern part of South Africa, also bringing in a few drops of rainfall for the Western Cape. Here's a high-resolution model or super microcast, which shows the cold front bringing in showers through the Western Cape as we head into Monday night. You'll also see a few isolated thunder showers forming over the central and southeastern part of the country on Monday evening. We're forecasting morning drizzle still in the southwest on Tuesday, with fine and dry weather as we head towards the Northern Cape, cool over the western and southern part of South Africa, with a cold front bringing in rainfall along the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coast. We're also expecting isolated afternoon and evening thunder showers, and that's mainly over the northeastern and eastern interior. Overnight, we're expecting a 60% chance of rainfall across the Western Cape, with isolated rainfall expected over the southern parts as well as along the southwestern coastline, with up to a 40% chance of thunder showers and showers, and that's from the southern parts of the northwest all the way through to the Eastern Cape coast. Southwesterly winds gust along the Eastern Cape coast on Monday evening, with windy conditions expected over the northern and eastern part of the Northern Cape overnight. On Tuesday, the southwesterly wind moves in along the KwaZulu-Natal coast, with wind speeds of between 20 and 25 kilometers per hour over the northeastern and eastern interior, but we're expecting light winds over the western parts. Overnight, we're forecasting a minimum temperature of 8 degrees for Bloemfontein, Graaff-Reinet and George, 12 as we head into Port Elizabeth, 13 for East London and Pietermaritzburg, with a mild night in store in Richards Bay at 17 degrees. We're forecasting a minimum of around 10 degrees in the northeast, as well as for Cape Town and Vredendal. Then tomorrow, things remain cool over the western and southern part of South Africa, with highs mainly in the upper teens. Still cold for Sutherland at only 14, 21 from Uppington all the way through to Bloemfontein. Warm as we head into Johannesburg at 25, and Mahikeng, Pretoria and Polokwane all top 27 on Tuesday afternoon. On Wednesday, we're expecting rain for Richards Bay and Bombela, but with maximum temperatures steadily increasing over the interior, mild to cool along South Africa's coastline. And on Thursday, a cold front brings in cloudy, cold and wet weather, particularly for the Western Cape. You'll see the possibility of rain all the way through to Richards Bay, with maximum temperatures remaining warm to hot over the interior. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.